How to delete all archived stories on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can delete all archived stories on Instagram. So let's just get started with the video without any delay. For that, you just need to go ahead and open up your Instagram account in your Instagram application. Once you are there, on the bottom right corner, you can find your profile. Go ahead and tap on it to open up your profile page. And once you are here on your profile page, all you need to do is go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and open up this menu of your settings and activity. So from there, go to archive section right here. And here you find, when you go ahead and drop this option, you find stories archive, post archive, and live archive. So if you want to delete your story archive, what you're going to do is, we don't have the option of deleting it all at once. But what you can do instead is head over to the story that you want to delete and click on the three dot right at the bottom, and you'll be finding this delete option. Go ahead and tap on it and confirm this deletion. Once that is done, your story will be deleted. Your archive stories will be deleted. So that is it for now. If you want to delete your stories, all you got to do is head over to the stories manually and go ahead and tap on the three dot right beside them and tap on delete after that. So that is how you delete your Instagram stories, your archive Instagram stories. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.